Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can do a screenshot right on this computer right here. But what we're going to actually use to do a screenshot, we know we can do it on mobile phone. All right, so I'm going to bring up this Microsoft Word. All right, on your keyboard, you will see PRTCSC. This means print screen. So this is where you're going to actually press, definitely, on the keyboard, and then you use the Control V to get it here. All right, so let me show you exactly. Let me minimize this. All right, I want to get this part of screen right here. So I'm going to press on the keyboard. This is what I'm going to press on the keyboard right here. So when I press on it, I'm going to bring up the Microsoft Word, and then I'm going to press Control and V. You notice this is a screenshot that definitely will take actually after the desktop a while ago. All right, let me do it again. Do something else different. All right, so let me open the Google Chrome right here and do it definitely. All right, now you see me actually open the Google Chrome. Let me open YouTube. So I'm going to take a screenshot of YouTube definitely. So what I wanted to do definitely, you notice we're going to press the print screen on the screen so far. When you press it, they bring up the Microsoft Word. They're going to press Control and V, which is CTRL on the keyboard, and press it. You notice? So this is the YouTube window. You can click on it. You can actually resize it and do whatever you want it with it. Very important. So this is how you do a screenshot right here on your laptop. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.